the punch list on Guru Hub. I love surprising people. I am like the ultimate prankster, the ultimate, surprise birthday planner, stuff like that. So something like this is great. Sid has several generations of her family living in the house. They've had a kitchen drawer that fell apart, and now they've got all their utensils spilling out onto the counter. Apparently they brought in a handyman to fix the drawer problem, and it only worked for like a day and it broke again. We're gonna fix it right so that it lasts, and I've got a little bit of a surprise for them too.
I'm Sid Lanetta. I am an inventory management planner for a major retailer. I've been watching the brothers since it's the inception of their show, so it's been a few years. I'm a fan of Jonathan. Sorry, Drew. Jonathan tweeted something about if there was an eyesore in your house, and it just so happens that there's this drawer in the kitchen that fell and I needed fixed. I would be really happy to have it fixed just because it's such an eyesore and the kitchen would just look much better. Oh, hey, Jonathan, please fix this for me. I'd really, really love you to fix this for me.
This is gonna be exciting. So Sid has no idea that we're about to show up. She thinks that she's just gonna make a video ask. I'm gonna knock on the door, and I'm hoping we'll get some excitement out of her because we're gonna fix her problems. Hello.
Oh, wow.
How are you? Can I come in?
Please. Oh my God, I did not expect to be here.
I heard you have some cabinetry problems.
Yes, I do.
We've got the whole gang here, Israel, Pedro. We are gonna jump in.
Nice to meet you.
And so the only rule is, Israel talked about it, you have to cook us a meal from your functioning kitchen once we're done.
It would be my mom, I promise.
Mom!
Mom,
Mom, are you here?
No!
Hello!
Hey! You're here!
I wanted to make sure
I can walk fast.
I can walk super fast.
Give me a hug. Nice meeting you. I'm
it's
so
very nice to
happy
meet
you're
you.
here.
I feel like you guys have been dealing with this problem cabinetry for long enough. Why don't we just, is that how you guys have it?
Yes.
How do you use the kitchen when you've got this taking up all your counter
Yeah.
space? Let me do this. We'll grab our tools and we'll take a
Okay.
peek and see what we're dealing with. So, you've got the one track that broke right off.
Yeah.
Okay, we might just have to reinforce it a little bit. No problem. Why don't you guys chill for a little bit? We will jump in with some tools and see if we can't figure it out. We'll start measuring some stuff out here and see what we can fix for you. Is this the original track?
I think so. It's a pretty old house.
This is what your kitchen's missing. The perfect accessory to every kitchen. There's the Jonathan, and there's the Drew. There you go. I think it's pretty straightforward. The mount at the back of the drawer popped off, which means the drawer broke out. The track is actually still in great shape. This is one of those things where it's a pretty easy fix, but it's been making the kitchen a pain in the butt for years now. We can have this fixed in no time. You can't have all your stuff sitting on the counter. That's for the cooking. So we have fixed that for you.
Thank you.
No problem. But I also figure I wanted to do something else. So I have a little bit surprise for you, but you have to close your eyes. So hold on.
Okay.
I'll lead you this way. Keep your eyes closed. Walk to the front door. So close your eyes, walk around the corner. Because you now have a functioning kitchen, you need to throw some wild parties. So we wanted to give you, open your eyes, one of our Scott Living
Oh, that's perfect.
dual zone wine fridge. Can I have a group hug?
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
If somebody has a problem at their house and they want to fix it, do you think they should reach out to me?
Of course they should. You deliver, obviously, not just yourself, but look at all of these.
If you have a problem at home, hit us up on social media. Use hashtag GuruHub. Let me know what you want to have fixed around the house, and I might just show up at your house. In the meantime, I believe Mom has some Filipino food to make for me.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.